Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about how to draw the plan of any kind of building. So first of all let me open AutoCAD, and then after opening AutoCAD, then here new file. Okay, then let me switch off the grid mode. These are the first and foremost thing which even I have told you in my previous videos. Then let me go to the units. After going to the units, let me set in the decimal format, degrees, precision as 2 digit, then mm. Okay, everything is okay. As you can even see here the units. Okay, after that now let me go to the home button. Then let me now next go to my plan. So in today's video I will be drawing this plan of a house. Okay, so as you can see here all the dimensions are in mm, so I will be doing as per this format. So actually when the dimensions are in mm, it is not it is said to be in the SI unit. Okay, and whenever the dimensions are in foot and inches, then we can say it as in empirical unit or empirical units. So even in mm we can say it as SI unit or MKS system. Okay, so let me now draw today's plan. So as you can see here, first let me draw one bedroom of size 3600. Let me zoom it, 3600 by 3600. Okay, so in AutoCAD I will go to first of all line command. Then after going to the line command, specify the point. Let me specify this point. Then on the ortho mode, okay, its shortcut key is F8. Okay, you can see here. Then after going there, the dimensions of the room is 3600 by 3600. So here I will type as 3600. Okay, then in the downward direction also 3600. Okay, done. Then here also 3600. Okay, now join it. Okay, so I have made this box of 3600 mm by 3600 mm. So I hope all of you know about that. In order to remove this UCS icon, so for that we have to type in the command box UCS icon, press enter, then press off. See, as you can see here, now the coordinate has been removed. So this is the one of the box for the rectangular plan. Now I will be drawing the next room, but before drawing that room I need to complete this full plan. So there this room has walls of 200 mm on all its sides. So let me now complete it. Now I will take offset. So either you can click it here or you can directly type as offset, then distance of 200, enter. Now click on all the sides, outside. Okay, so it's now so it's completed. So even I will show you the dimensions, and for showing the dimensions let me go to the linear dimensions and click it here, inside to inside dimension. See, as you can see it here, it's 3600. So along with that, in the other direction the dimension will be from here to here. See, here also see, here also the dimension is 3600. So in both the sides there is the dimension of 3600. Now let me delete these two dimension lines. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to draw the plan. After drawing the first room, now let me draw the next room, which is having the size of 4200. So this is 4200 and this is 3600. So this is 4200, this is 3600. So now let me take the offset of spacing 4200. Okay, after taking the offset of 4200, let me draw here another wall. Okay, and along with this is the wall I have drawn. Now let me again continue with the same command, and for that you have to simply type on the up arrow. The command will automatically come. After that press enter. Then the wall is of size 200 mm. Again click 200 mm, enter, then click in this line, and in the outside you draw another wall. Now again L command, line command, and from here to here join it. Similarly from here to again L command, from here to here join it. After joining, again use the up arrow. Simply you need to press the up arrow so that the offset command arises. Now offset command arises, press enter, distance of 200 mm, press enter, click in this wall, outside. Okay, so these two rooms are completed. One is of size 3600 by 3600, another is of size 4200 by 3600. Walls are also made. After that, now you need to make plaster of 50 mm size on all the sides. Now again offset command, enter, 50. Okay, let me first join. After that I will use offset command, and for that I will use extend command. Extend, EX, double enter. Now here press edge. After pressing edge, see, it's as I am clicking it here, so it's not working because both the edges they are moving to the infinity. So if I will click in this line, it will get connected to this, as well as if I will click in this line, it will get connected to this line. So do one thing, better not to use the extend command. Simply click on line command, and after using line command, click it here and click on this. Simply touch this line and you will see the cross point. After that, join it. After that, in order to join this, use the join command and click the line you want to join and press enter. Now again use line command. After that, use the line command, or else you can do one thing, you can simply extend this line. After extending this line, you can now use the extend command. Now click on this line, it has extended. Now you have to again trim it, trim, double enter, or TR double enter. After that, you need to click this line. In this manner also you can join the corners. Now again use the join command, then click in this line and click in this line, then press enter. After that again here line command. It's better to use line command, not to extend and then again then extend the line, then again extend it, and after that trim. So it's better not to use so much of command. Simply use the line command, touch it here, the cross point will appear, then click in the cross point, and after that click in this point. So now I have completed these two rooms. After that let me again check the plan what is there. Now the plaster is there on all the sides of 50 mm. Now use the offset command, now 50 mm is present already, press simply enter. Now on all these sides simply you need to click in this line, then in the sides where you need to offset, if you move the cursor to the right side, then the offset will be made on the right side. If you move the cursor to the left side, the offset will be moved on the left side. So you need to move the cursor on the left side and simply click it, then again click in this line and click it here. Okay, then again click in this line, click it here, click in this line, click it here, click in this line, click it here, click in this line, click it here. So I hope it's clear to all of you. In this way, in this manner, even we have made the offset. Now again click on the line command, then zoom it, then again you need to do the same thing. And remember that if these lines are not showing, then you need to first of all on this ortho mode in order to join straight lines, and then the snap line on, so that the two lines will get connected point to point. So is snap, remember that before drawing any kind of diagram, always you need to remember that you should switched on the auto snap. If the auto snap by the help of F11, as I am showing it here, if this one will not be in the on mode, then both, that is one is object snap tracking as well as O snap, otherwise your diagrams will not be connected to point. So you must press F3, F11 and F8. These three must be in the on condition. Then after that you need to click it here, and you from here what are the points you needed, you must click it here. If you require parallel lines, click it here. If you require nearest point, tangent, perpendicular, intersection, all these points are here, center, okay, midpoint, end point, so you can click it here. Okay, after that again I'll join these two lines by the help of L and L. See, and you remember that for doing individual boxes you must always zoom it and you must do it. Such as if you need to join the two corners, then always you must zoom that portion. For zooming that portion you must place the mouse pointer over there, and after that you need to zoom it. It's not like if you place it here and you will zoom it, because the portion which is going to zoom only that portion where you are placing the mouse cursor. So I have made these two rooms. After that here doors and windows are present. As you can see here, the doors and windows size are there. Window, okay, window size is window 6 numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there. Window 6 number of 1000 mm by 1200 mm. Remember that 1000 mm is this side and 1200 is the height. So in plan you cannot see the height, so you need to only place the 1000 mm width. So for that 1000 mm, so let me do one thing. Let me place one line here. Yeah, let me first place one line here, simple line. After that offset it. Offset how much? 1000 mm, because the width of the line window is 1000. I have entered. Then click in this line, and in this line you click in. So this one is one window. Okay, so I have made this window. After making this window, now this as you can see here, the window has two lines which are the thickness of this line, and here it's written the thickness is of 12 mm. You can see it here. Okay, so thickness is 12 mm. So you need to place two lines of 12 mm. So again press L command. Then in this L command, no, before that you need to trim, double enter, trim this line and trim this line, also trim this line and trim this line. Okay, after trimming this line, you need to escape it in order to cancel that command. Then press line command, L, enter. Then you need to mark this is the midpoint of the line. Simply in the midpoint draw one line from midpoint to midpoint. Okay, I have drawn one line from midpoint to midpoint. Again use trim, double enter and click it, then again escape it. Now I need to make the line of thickness how much? 12 mm. So on both the sides of the center line I will make line of 6 mm thickness. So again use offset command, enter, only 6 mm. Click in this line, click in one side, and again click this line, click on another side. So now the thickness is of 12 mm. Now you need to select the, after that escape it, select the center line and delete it. See, now the window of thickness 12 mm is made. I can even show you the thickness measure. See, in the yellow portion it's showing these are having the thickness of 12 mm, and window is also having the size of 1000 mm, 1000 mm and 12 mm. Okay, fine. After that, as I have made one window, now you need to copy that window, and even you need to trim that, trim it. After that you need to copy that window. Now simply you need to copy that window, place on copy, click it, select the objects. After selecting the objects, press again enter. Now displacement point, click this as the displacement point. Now after that move the window where it is required. Here also one window is present, so place one window in here, this portion. Then after that another window is present in the corner portion. So now switch off the ortho mode by F8, and after that you can place the window. Now in the upper wall two portions are there. Here I have made one window. After that here other window is there. See, as you can check it here, I have made 4 windows, 1 2 3 4 windows I have made. Now I need to place 2 windows by rotating it. So before that you need to again copy it, select it, selected. After that you need to rotate. Now select the base point. Let me select this as the base point. As you can see here, now I have rotated the window. Now rotate the angle. Here it's written how much angle you need to rotate the angle by 90 degree. Place it here. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me first select this full window. After selecting this full window, copy it, then copy this window, copied it, then place enter, then specify this point and let me copy it. Let me copy it here. After copying it here, I will rotate this window. Now let me again click in this full window, then click on rotate, enter, then specify rotate the base point. Select this as the base point and angle as 90 degree, enter. Yeah, now the window has been rotated. Now you need to simply copy it and copy the selected object. Now again press enter. Now click it here and you need to copy the window. This is one window I have made it here, and another window I need to make it as here. See, as you can see it here, another window I have copied it. So this is how 6 windows are being created. Now you need to create door 1, 2 doors are present and another one D2 is present. Now as you can see here in the box, the door 1 is having the dimension of 1000 mm by 2000 mm. 2000 mm is the height, 1000 mm is the width. So I have to create one door of 1000 mm. So let me create the door. So in this portion the door is present. So in this portion I will let me again click line command and draw one line, ortho mode on it and draw one line. Then again trim on both the sides. Yeah, after that offset off, again offset distance, enter it at 1000 mm. This is the door I need to make it here. Now again click on line command L, enter. After that from the center point to the center point draw one line. Then again trim the unnecessary portion, trim it here. Now escape it. After that use the line command, and after using the line command, as this is the line of 1000 mm, again from here make one line of 1000 mm. So click the line of 1000 mm. So this is the line which I have created, both are of 1000 mm. Now you need, as in the previous video also I have taught about arc, start, center, end arc. So here you need to click it here, then start, center, end. After that, remember that always the arc rotates in the counterclockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So start point is this one, center point is this one, and end point is this one. See, this is the door which I have created here. Now you need to click on trim, enter it, double enter, click it here as well as click it here. So this is the door which I have created it. So in this way you need to create the door. In this similar manner, I need to create another door in the same portion. Okay, so what I will do is, now again you need to copy it, click the copy command, then you need to copy the full window and copy it. After that you need to simply place it somewhere else. Okay, after that press escape. Now I need to make the door here. So for that, what I will do is, again I will press the line command, and here I will press the line command. Then after that, after clicking on this line command, I will trim the unnecessary lines, trim, double enter, done. Now I will place this door in that position. And for that, what I need to do is, again I need to click on line, enter, and I'll click it here at a distance of 1000 mm. Press enter, OK. Now I'll place this door in this position. So I will now copy it. Sorry, I will now rotate it because I need to rotate that. Now I will select. Always remember that even while selecting the object, always do from left hand to right hand to left hand. So it will show that in order to select everything. See, if you will do from left hand to right hand, let me press escape again. If you need to do from left hand to right hand, sometimes some objects doesn't get selected, so better to do from right hand to left hand. Again rotate, specify the base point here, ortho mode as off it, or see, what you have to do is, you have to place the door in this manner. So rotate it by 90 degree. The one thing, either you can rotate it or you can mirror it, because but here there is the requirement of mirroring the image. Select the object, mirror it, select the line of mirroring, this point. Yeah, erase source object, yes. See, I have created the mirror object. Now you need to simply move that object. So you now click on move. Better not to move it, because if you need to create only one door, then you can directly move the same door. But suppose you need to make this type of door in different places, like that I have created the windows, then you have to simply copy it. Better to copy it, select the object, then press enter, then click it here, base point, then off, switch off the ortho mode. Now you simply click it here. See, as you can see here, now my, not only that, but you can place the same window, same door in different portions also. So this is how you need to create the doors. After that, I can delete this unnecessary windows and unnecessary doors by simply selecting and pressing the delete command. Here also one unnecessary window is there, simply delete it. So this is how. Now simply delete the unnecessary portions, like simply click it and delete it. And after deleting, press on extend. Now need to simply extend this line, fully extend it. Along with that, you need to simply extend this line. After that, again press the trim command, trim it, double enter, trim this unnecessary lines. So this is how I have created the first door, that is in this command. This one is door 1, door 2. Now need to create the door 3. In the similar manner, I will create the door 2. Now this is how I have created the 2 doors. In the similar manner, you need to create another door here. Okay, and for that, as each of different dimension, as I can see it here, the dimension of the next door, that is D2 of 900 mm. Simply I have to make another door of 900 mm in this portion. So I will make it here. First the line, simply a line, then offset command of 900 mm, then click it here. After that, place one line, then trim it. First trim it both, all the lines. After trimming it all the lines, then click the line command, center to center, draw it, then again click on line command, and from here 900 mm, then start center end, click on this arc, start center end. This is the starting point, this is the center point, and this is the end point. So this is how I have created the line. Then again use the trim command, double enter. See, this is how the door I have created of different size. This is 900 mm, this one is 1000 mm, and this one is 1000 mm. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to create the doors and windows. Now I need to create the staircase of 300, 300, 300 and 12 mm and 1200 mm width. So here I will create one 300 mm, then again 300 mm, then again in the downward portion 300 mm, click it, then here 1200 mm, enter it, then simply join it here. After that, I need to press the line command, simply click on the line command. From this point I have created 300 mm line. This is the 300 mm line, click it here. Again click on the line command, 300 mm here. From here, this is the 300 mm line, then click it here. And after that, you need to click trim command, double enter it, then delete it, and delete this unnecessary portions, like this one is the unnecessary, this one is unnecessary, this one is the unnecessary command, so as well as this is the unnecessary portion. So this is how I have created the staircase. In the similar manner, you need to create it here, another staircase of, press the line command, click, from here you create it of 300, 300, 300, that is 900 mm, enter it, then again 1200 mm, again 900 mm, enter it. After that click on offset. In different manner you can create it. Click on offset of distance 300 mm, enter it. Now offset it. So this is how I have created the window, staircase. Now trim it. Trim the unnecessary portion like this one is not required, as well as this one is not required. An extra portion you have to create it, as well as here also unnecessary portion you have to by zoom and create it. So this is how I have created the two staircases on both the sides of the door. Then what are the things which are remaining? Now I need to show you the various dimensions as well as the naming of the rooms. So I will provide the dimensions and naming of the room. So let me do one thing. Let me press the escape button. After that use the dimension arrow. After using the dimension arrow, from here to here, what is the dimension here shown? The dimension shown here is 50. So I have to increase its size. So I will increase its size afterwards, or well, let me increase it first of all. You need to click it here, click in the properties. Okay, then click on the properties. After going to the properties, here text height will be present. As you can see it here, this is the text. Here the text height is 2.5. increase it to 50. As you can see it here, now the size is visible. Even now the size is not visible. Make it as 200. Yeah, I hope now the size is visible. Yeah, it's visible now. In the similar manner I will create the dimension, that is inner to inner dimension. I will show it here. From here to here I will show now the inner dimension. Now I will press the MA command, match properties command, enter it, click it here and click it here. See, now I can increase the size. Only one time you need to increase the size. After that simply click on MA command and increase the size. And along with that, even you can color it up by simply selecting this line, go to it here, go to this line, escape it, go to this, click in this point, click on properties. After going to the properties, the color of the line is white. Simply change it to blue color and escape, and now click it again. I will use MA command. After that I will click it here and I will click it here. See, now the color will also change for all the dimension line. Now the color will change. Now I will again assign all the dimensions. Let me assign all the dimension from here to here. This is the dimension. Then from here to here, this is the dimension. From here to here, this is the another dimension. Now after that, from here to here, this is the another dimension. From here to here, this is the another dimension. After that I will give the dimension of this room and one window. Suppose I am giving the dimension of this window as from here to here, click it here. Now again I will give the dimension of this room as from here to here. This is the dimension. Now I will click on MA command and click it here, and after that I will click all the dimension lines. click it here, 4200 size of the room. Now this is the 900 mm room. As you can see here, it should be of size 900 mm. So here I need to delete this and I need to create it in a proper manner. So for that, what I need to do is I delete it, then again press on L command. From here select one line of 900 mm, enter it, then from there 1200 mm, enter it. So now delete this line and then extend this, double enter, click it here. Now delete these two lines. After that again create an offset, then 300 mm distance. Okay, it's fine. From again or do the offset. Now again I will show you the dimensions from here to here, from here to here what is the dimension, and from here to here what will be the dimensions, along with that the full dimension, that is from here to here. Now click on again MA and click it here, and after that click it here 1200, this is the 300 and this is the 900. So now every dimensions are being given, even I need to click it here. So all the dimensions are now completely shown. Now after that you need to do the naming of the doors and windows. So click in this text command and click it here in the same manner. Now the name of the room is bedroom, so click as bedroom. Click on escape button and press enter. See, it's shown in a very small manner, like dot. See, simply again you do one thing, click on MA command, enter, click it here, and after that click in this word. Or simply you do one thing, go to this word, click in this box, go to the properties. After going to the properties, the text size here it's 2.5, make it as 250 mm. Yeah, done. This is bedroom. Now even you can change the color. Go to this box, simply click on, go to this box, simply click on, sorry, escape it, go to this box, simply click on properties. The color you can change it as red color. Okay, this is the bedroom. Now after that the next room is hall. Again from here you can simply type the copy command, copy it and copy the selected object and press enter. Now move it to this room. After that you can edit this word as hall, select all and hall, press escape and press enter. See, in this way you can create everything. Again copy it and press enter, press this word and copy it, press enter, copy it, ortho mode on by now copy it here, and after that rename this as plan. So escape it, enter it. So I hope it's clear to all of you. Similarly I can give the namings of all the doors and windows. So I hope it's clear to all of you to how to make the plan in AutoCAD. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it, and thanks for watching my video.